Hey, what's up guys? My name is Wade, and in this video we'll be going into the BoxCast dashboard and talking about all the advanced settings for your BoxCaster or your BoxCaster Pro. First, I will show you how to change it for all your broadcasts, and then we'll go and show you how to change it for an individual broadcast. Start by going to your Sources tab and clicking on the BoxCaster you wish to change the settings for. Click on Edit Settings, and then Advanced Settings. Here you will see a list of advanced settings that you can change at any time, even when you're broadcasting. Once you make a change to a setting, it will apply to every broadcast moving forward. Now let's talk about what each setting means and how it will affect your broadcasts. This is the bitrate at which your video data will be encoded and transmitted. By default, the BoxCaster will automatically detect your available bandwidth and make an intelligent selection. The video bitrate can be changed at any time during your broadcast if you're experiencing network issues that are affecting the quality of your video. Generally, if you're having network issues, you want to lower the video bitrate. Note that setting a video bitrate will only establish a ceiling for your BoxCaster. To give you an example, if you set your bitrate at 3 megs, your broadcast will not exceed 3 megs. By leaving it on auto detect, the box will still regulate bitrates up and down throughout the course of the broadcast in response to network conditions. Audio bitrate. The bitrate at which audio data will be encoded and transmitted. By default, the BoxCaster will automatically detect your available bandwidth and make an intelligent selection. Audio bitrates can be changed at any time during the broadcast. We generally recommend not lowering your audio bitrate and leaving it at least 128 kilobytes. This is the source your BoxCaster will get audio from. You can choose a source in the event that you are using a separate line from your video. For example, if you're using our normal BoxCaster, you can bring in video via HDMI and your audio in from a mixer via RCA. You simply select analog only, so that the box will only pull audio from the analog inputs. By default, the BoxCaster will select the largest resolution available based on the resolution of the detected video input. To be clear, the video resolution setting is not a scaler. If you input 480p to the BoxCaster but select 1080p here, the stream will still be in 480p. If you're using the BoxCaster Pro, you can tell it to select either 30 or 60 frames a second. To enable 60 frames a second, this must be on your plan. If you do not see this option, we recommend contacting your client manager. DSCP, which stands for Differentiated Service Code Point, is a means of marking network communications in order to prioritize some types of traffic over others. By default, the BoxCaster will not use any special DSCP marking, but if you have more questions, speak to your network administrator or internet service provider before changing this value. If you only want to change these settings for just one broadcast, while you're scheduling a broadcast, go to the Advanced Settings area and you'll see the same options. By changing it here, it will only affect this one broadcast. If you want to change it for an upcoming broadcast, click on the Edit button and then Advanced. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support team by emailing questions@boxcast.com.